Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working on this Hyundai Sonata and we will show you guys how to remove and replace the window switch on a rear door on a Hyundai Sonata 2005 to 2010 generation. The right door will be the same as the left one. We'll demonstrate on the left, so stay with us and we'll show you how to do it now. Okay, next we'll need to remove a couple caps. We have a few caps that you'll be able to find screws underneath them. Okay. We have quite a few videos on that car, guys, so check out the playlist. We have another playlist on World Mechanics, our second channel as well. Okay, now we need to get the Phillips screwdriver and we need to start removing those screws. Okay, one is out. We have this one over there. Okay, we need to remove the one here. And we should have on the bottom one towards the front there. Okay, next we need to get a prying tool. Okay, and there is a couple clips on the door panel. We'll show you where they are once we get it loose and remove it, so you know where to apply more pressure. Okay, now we need to remove that plastic piece here. We forgot about it. You need to open the handle to pull it out because the handle stays on the door. And you need to lift it straight up now. Okay, it's almost coming out. Okay, perfect. Next, all you have to do is just disconnect the wiring for the window switch. So you need to press in there and pull out. Okay, like that. Let's show you where the clips are quick. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips. Okay guys, so the window switch is right here, but we'll be accessing it from the bottom. We have only 2 screws with a Phillips screwdriver that we will need to remove. Okay, and then you can just pull it out. This is the window switch, okay, right here. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.